Welcome to another edition of Spotting from gorgeous Tampa Bay, Florida. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful, gorgeous morning. Blue skies, low humidity. That's enough of that weather report. Let's just get right into the aviation action.
Roger, can I have one departure off the parallel prior to yours, then you'll be done.
The busy holiday traffic continues.
At 531, wind 040 at 10, runway 1 right there, Piaggaio. The 351 contact departure, good day.
Well, United 351 just departed, and we got another one over on 1 right. Well, they got 1 right open just in time to have both runways operating during the holiday busy season. And breaking news, almost 4 million people have gone through TSA the last 4 days. Just short. Light them up. Cleared for takeoff.
United 2445, contact departure today. United 2445 today.
Maybe not. Oh, we got a medical issue. We need to immediately return to the gate. To hear that, they got to get right back to airside C. Boy, they're in a hurry too.
Yeah, 2106, contact departure today. 2227 install frequency. Clear center, Tampa Tower. Cleared in the Bravo, standby. It's 505, Tampa Tower, roger, get ready, hold control, runway 1 left, got 1 departure. Departure parallel runway. east of the parallels for now.
UPS 5505.
The altimeter 3022.
Way on the other side, one left.
UPS 5505, contact departure today. Order parking EPS 5505. Who's under? Just want to verify you took the...
And cleared for takeoff.
Sterling 1104, there's a 1 left. Sterling 1104, Tampa Tower, runway 1 left, clear to land, wind 040 at 10. Come to land, Sterling 1104.
We might get some southerly winds tomorrow, which should make for some cool action down here.
Thank you. That one, that's 5, 1 left, thank you.
That was way down there. I can see the emergency vehicles down there. And there's side C where that medical is. Yeah, looks like southwest. I can't tell if it's in focus or not. And back to the eye surgeon next week.
Flight 1, after you're done over there, are you going to be transitioning to the west, or are you going to be continuing?
Somebody's on the downwind leg.
Airwings 1104, turn right on Bravo 1 to the gate. Use caution. There's going to be a Southwest aircraft push off the...
2643. To no surprise, BWI. What is everybody coming from Baltimore Washington International Airport?
News Center, Roger. I might get you
off the aircraft carrier. Oh, a little low.
There for 1 moment.
Looks like they're headed for the rack, the rental car center. Yes, sirree. Out. 2359. Oh, now I know why it looked big. It is big. 2359 heavy.
35, 1 mile.
From Memphis.
Southwest 2235, Tampa Tower, runway 1 left, clear to land, caution wave turbulence, here number 2 following a heavy 767 on a mile final. Clear to land 1 left, I'm looking at 2235, reduce mile first speed. Roll the mile first speed.
Boy, this is a hot looking little jet.
southbound on Whiskey Wolf to the Chicago. Maintenance 52 for that.
2335, the Music City Special. Yep, Nashville, Tennessee. BA. Boy, everybody's low on the aircraft carrier today. The guy we saw land about an hour ago. Hey, he's got his arm out the window. FedEx cleared to cross runway 1 right. Headed to the east side of the airfield to the FedEx cargo ramp.
What's your take about the contact spark today?
Did he say, "Good, have a good day, bro"? I don't think this guy's gonna need much runway. Oh my gosh, that was quick. A little rocky.
Transport around, please.
All right, who's going to get here first? Looks like another victory for Southwest. Come on, JetBlue. Well, it's that time, boys and girls. Fasten your seatbelts. Time to go in deep. 22:27. Right along with the captains, the MSY. Howdy. .3410. Where'd you go? Where are you? There you are.
Transport 3410, heavy contact departure today. Oh, departure transport 3410, heavy today.
Oh, 3410, I love it. going to conclude this edition of Runway 1 right spotting here at Tampa International. What a fun morning this has been. Surprise bonus 1 right landings. Now they've closed right and everybody's heading over to the left side. But that's it for us. Thanks for being here this morning. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thrilled to have you on today's journey. Be sure to smash that subscribe button. We're on our journey to 2,000 subscribers. Like, share, and hit the notification bell. And as always, we'll see you again tomorrow on another edition of Spotting Tampa International. See ya.